This is Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to start, as you can see, my parental controls are indeed active, so in order to turn them off, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Google category. In here, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the following page gets loaded, you will need to open the Data and Privacy section. Then, at the bottom of the Data and Privacy page, tap at the Delete Your Google Account option. Then, in order to continue, we will need to enter the Google account password, so let me do exactly that. After that, scroll the following page all the way down, check those two boxes, and tap at the Delete Account button. From here, or rather at this point, the parental controls were successfully disabled. So let me quickly prove that to you. So if I will open up the settings again and enter the Google category, there will be no Google account linked. And if I will open the list of parental controls, there will be none. So at this point, the only thing that is left to do is to recover the Google account, which you can very simply execute by signing into Play Store with it or any other Google service or app. It shouldn't necessarily be the Play Store. So enter the email address, then you should get the following message. After this message, input your account password. Then hit the next button, and 9 out of 10 times you will get the following "something went wrong" message. That's completely fine. Just quickly re-enter your credentials. So input your email address, then follow it by typing in your account password, and usually the second time around it lets you through no problem, which is, as you can see, absolutely true in my case. So just sign into your account, and that would be so. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.